Hey guys, I'm Semret Russom.
I'm Robil.
And this is Delina. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with another Tigrinya Tuesday. We're super excited. We're going to be talking about family, right?
That's right.
Are you excited?
Very excited. I can't wait.
Yeah, so if you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, give us thumbs up, like, comment, share, whatever ideas you have for us and for Robil and for Delina to learn. So let's get into it. Are you ready? Are you ready, Delina? So I'm going to repeat it in Tigrinya and English, and then Robil is going to repeat it in Tigrinya.
That's right.
And we're going to learn about family.
Owa.
Owa. All right, so boy, wedi.
Wedi.
Yes. Girl, gwal.
Gwal.
And relative, zemed. I just skipped one.
Zemed.
Child, kwala.
Child. Kola.
Kola. Yeah, that's
Kola.
kind of a little hard, huh?
It's like Coca-Cola.
Yeah. There you go. Husband, sub-I.
Seb-I.
Or sub-I, like.
Seb-I.
Like-
Seb-I. Seb-I.
I would say sub-I,
Uh-huh.
but if you say husband would be sub-I.
What?
So if I'm saying that's my husband, sub-I.
I don't know what you just said. For me, I'm a
So you
little
know
slow.
how you said my husband, so instead of saying my husband, just to say in general husband means sub-I, but sub-I would be my husband. Wife, sub-ate.
Sabete.
Good job. Delina, good job. You helping daddy? Mother, ade.
Ade.
Yes. Father, you should know this one.
Aboy.
Good job.
Aboy.
Aboy. Daughter, you know this one.
Guale.
Yes. Guale. Good job. Son.
Wede.
Oh, wow. What day?
I'm actually looking at your sheet.
Oh.
But I knew that.
Brother, Hawe.
Brother, Hawe.
Yes. Sister,
Hafte.
Hafte. Good job. Grandmother, Abaye.
Abaye.
Yes. Grandmother, Abaye.
Abaye.
Grandfather, Apahagoy.
Abahagoy.
Mother-in-law, Hamate.
Hamate.
Auntie, your father's side or father's side would be Amoy.
Amoy.
Yes. Auntie, your mother's side would be Hatine.
Hatine. Hatine.
Hatine. Uncle and your father's side would be Hawaboy. Like Hawaboy.
Hawaboy.
Yes.
Hawaboy.
Uncle and your mother's side would say Akoy.
Akoy.
And girl, cousin, father's side would be Gwal Hawaboy.
Gual Hawaboy.
Yes. Girl and your mom's side would be Gwal Hatane.
Girl cousin?
Yes.
Oh. Girl cousin on your
Mother's side
mother's side.
would be Gwal Hatane.
Gual Hatine.
Yes. Boy, cousin, your father's side would be Wadi Hawaboy.
Boy cousin on father's side.
Wadi Hawaboy.
Wedi Hawaboy.
Yes. Boy, cousin, mother's side would be Wadi Hatane.
Wedi Hatine. Wedi Hatine.
Neighbor,
Neighbor.
Gorobit.
Gorabet. Gorabet.
Gorobit.
All right.
Good job.
Yeah,
Was
thank
it
you.
hard?
No.
Why am I even asked? Are you ready?
Yes. Oh,
Boy,
Wedi.
girl,
Girl is Gual.
good job. Child,
Child. Zelem.
no,
That's relative.
no.
Child. I don't know. What is it?
Hola.
What is it? Cola. Oh, cola. Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Child Coca-Cola.
It's not Coca-Cola.
Cola.
Hola.
Cola.
Husband,
Husband is Hawe.
No, that's brother. Sebaye.
Zebaye. Oh, I don't remember that.
Okay, wife.
Sebaye. Wife is, I don't know.
Sebete.
Sebete. I didn't remember. I didn't memorize that. I'm sorry. Sebete. Sebaye.
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
Mother.
Mother is Ade.
Ade.
Mother Ade.
Yes. Father.
Father Aboy.
Daughter.
Guale.
Ah.
Why Guale?
Why Gale? Why Gale? Who says that?
You.
Son.
Son Wede.
What day? Good job. Brother.
Brother Hawe.
Sister.
Hafte.
Oh, look at you. Grandmother.
Grandmother is Abaye.
Good job. Grandfather.
Grandfather Abba Hagoy.
Yes.
Yes.
Good job. What is mother-in-law?
Hamate.
Good job. What is auntie father side?
Auntie.
Aunt. Remember my aunt was here?
Amoy.
Yes.
Yes.
What is aunt on your mother's side?
Aunt mother's side. Not Abba Amoy. Ada Amoy.
Hatene.
Hatene.
Yes.
Hatene.
Hatene. Good job. It's a little different, but you're doing good.
Hatene.
Uncle father's side.
Akoy.
Good job. Girl, cousin, father's side. Like
Girl, cousin, father's side.
Yes.
Gual,
Uh-huh.
Gual, Hawa boy.
Gual Hawa boy.
Gual Hawa boy.
Uh-huh. And then cousin side, girl, cousin side, and mother's.
Gual Hatene. Gual Hatene.
Yes.
And Gual Hawa boy.
Yes.
All right.
Boy, cousin, father's side.
Wedi,
Uh-huh.
Wedi, Hawa boy.
Perfect. Boy, cousin, mother's side, sorry.
Wedi, Hatene.
Yes.
Wedi Hatene.
Good job. How about neighbor?
Neighbor, Gon, Gorabit.
Yes.
I looked at it.
Cheater.
Gorabit. For
Gorabit.
neighbor. Okay.
Okay, Gorobit.
Gorabit.
All right, you guys. So up next, I'm gonna show Robert a few pictures.
Robil.
Robil, correction, of our family member. So he's gonna say it in Tigrinya. All right, you guys. So
Hold on. What's this? Do you want me to answer?
Yeah, what's that?
Guale.
Bravo.
Smile guale.
Oh, nukur. All right, so we have this beautiful picture, which is my mother, and this is what to you?
Hamate?
Hamate. That's right.
Hamate.
Hamate,
So
mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law.
That's right. Good
And
job.
for you?
Is Ade.
Ade.
Mother means Ade. And we have this beautiful picture of a son, not our son. It's actually Robert when he was a baby. Yes! All right, so I'm gonna show Robert this picture and you're gonna say it in Tigrinya. You ready?
Yes. Wede.
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 Son is Wede. Good job. Yes. And up next, we have my favorite person in this planet, besides Alina. This is my grandfather. How do you say grandfather?
Grandfather Abba Hagoy.
Good job.
Abba Hagoy.
Yes, Abba Hagoy. All right, so we have Robil's family member in this picture, and we both are in it. And how do you say uncle in, yes, how do you say uncle in your father's side?
Hawa boy.
That's right. And then, husband, what am I to you?
Wife.
So, no, shoot.
Oh. Sabate or mi shukor.
Oh, I'm your sugar.
Mi shukorina.
Shukurina, thank you, madam. So that's good. And then for me, you are Sebaye. So
Sebaye.
my husband. And she is Guale.
Yes. All right, now let's pick.
Oh,
let's
then one more. And this is Delina's sister, Hafte.
So this is Pepper Hafte.
Pepper Hafte. So this is Delina's dog sister.
Delina's sister, her
Yes.
little sister.
Is,
And for us,
is Guale.
Guale.
Guale. All right, guys, so we are all done. I hope you enjoyed this segment. We always have fun doing it. And we just wanted to say goodbye. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. And leave us a comment if you guys want us to bring you new things. But for now, see you till next time. Bye, guys. Say bye-bye, Lily.